How to use a carpet washer. Today we're going to use the Vax Platinum Power Max. Yes, that's a pretty impressive model name. These are all pretty much the same, no matter what brand you use. So we need to get this bad boy filled up with soap and some warm water. So you just push this button here and just twist this, and you can put your solution in there. As I'm extremely boring, I'm just going to use the Vax Everyday Cleaning Carpet Solution. So you need about 40 milliliters, which I don't know how much that is, but it's probably about 2 caps. So let's measure this out. Pour that in. I think it's probably going to be a bit more than that. Probably about 3 maybe. That should be enough to get you started. You're just going to have to keep an eye on the level when you do this. Okay, back on, tighten. We're going to do the water next. Now this needs to be warm water, no more than 40 degrees. Okay, warm water in. I don't know if you can see, but there is a max line right here, so just fill it up to the max. We're doing a deep clean. Right, water cap back on. Right, put the water and soap container back on. Hear a nice click. Right, you got your soap and water at the top. This is where all your wastewater goes, your dirty water on this compartment. Little switch here, quick clean, deep clean. We're doing a deep clean because obviously we're not messing around today, but I'd always recommend doing that. Okay, let's go through the controls. So we've got a switch here that releases the tank, so you can twist it. Obviously now you can move it in a better pattern. And obviously on this side, just push down with your foot again, just your on-off switch. So in the handle here we have a trigger. This releases a cleaning solution and the warm water. So we need to push this down. And if there's really tough stains, you can push this down and this boosts one at the same time. So you push this down and push that down, and that releases even more to get the tough stains out. But generally all you need to do is use this. So the principle of using the machine, bring the tank down like that, turn it on, and when you're going forward, push in, go forward. You made a bit of a mess on the ground there, you can see. Release the trigger, when you're going back, pull back, and it will start cleaning and drying everything up. Basically you're sucking up the water this way, using detergent and water this way. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's plug this in. Right, let's do this for real. And that's essentially it. Just keep going backwards and forwards. Trigger down forwards, release on the way back. This machine also comes with a wand adapter. You can either do upholstery, and you can do scrubber like this. You can just pull these off and change them. So you can see the adapter here for the machine. And on this one, pull down here, and that's where you connect it. Right, let's have a go at connecting this up. You can see there's a little release thing when you want to take it out. That's in, you can hear it click. As you can see, there's a little trigger underneath that you can just push down. So same principle as before, turn it on. Push here, move the wand, and now we're ready to get rid of this wastewater. So we're finished. We still have a bit of water up here which we need to pour out, and then obviously the wastewater down here. It's obviously the same as before. Push to release. Take those off. It's empty. Back on. Right, waste container. Push that down. That comes out. As so. So to get the water out of this, Little switch here. Lift up the top, and down the drain. Put this back together. Make sure this little end tab goes right in. Stick it underneath there first. Nice seal. This on. Click. That's how it goes back together. Let's put this back together for next time. Click. And the bottom one. Tilt back. And that's it. Right, you got a bottom part here you can release for cleaning. You can start to get underneath the machine. And you can see there's quite a lot of rubbish under here. And this is how you access it from underneath. And you can clean that out. And you're done.